Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: TG macro installed, API token ready, and a disposable test account. First, open a terminal and place macro 1, TG in your working folder. Then, authenticate with your token and grant bot permissions to send messages and read updates. This avoids permission errors later. Once done, write a single action. Send message to confirm connectivity. Make sure the macro file uses correct syntax and line endings so the macro parser accepts it. Now you expand the macro with multiple actions. Create a sequence. Send, wait, edit, and react, chaining them with precise waits like wait 1s or wait 0. 5s to mimic human timing. Use variables such as %user % and %chat ID % to reuse values, and add conditional checks so actions run only when criteria match. Test each step by running the macro in verbose mode so you see parsed commands and returned updates. This helps isolate syntax or timing mistakes before full deployment. To finish, run a dry run to validate syntax, then execute live while monitoring logs for errors or rate limit responses. If you hit limits, implement exponential backoff and increase weights. Make sure to catch 429 codes and retry with delays. Confirm tokens are current and bot permissions remain intact. If failures persist, check file paths and line endings. Finally, use verbose logging to trace where the macro stops. Then fix that command and rerun. This iterative loop resolves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.